Morning, children, and welcome in GK class of KG2. Children, today I will tell you some things related to our country. Okay, about our national flag, about our Prime Minister and our President. Children, you all must have seen our national flag. See children, all countries have their national flag. Okay, हर कंट्री का अपना एक फ्लैग होता है, ठीक है. Our country also has its national flag. हमारी कंट्री का भी एक फ्लैग है, which is called तिरंगा, and it is also called as tricolor. Okay, children, our national flag, as other countries have their flag, national flag, our country also have the national flag, which is called Tiranga or tricolor. And you must have seen our national flag, which is hoisted on our national festivals. जो हम लोगों के national festivals होते हैं, such as 15th August, 26th January. Okay, during these festivals, our national flag is hoisted. National flag is the pride of our country. Okay, and it evokes the feeling of patriotism among the countrymen. जो हम लोगों का नेशनल फ्लैग होता है वो क्यों नेशनल कहलाता है? क्योंकि पूरे नेशन, all the people of nation feel pride about their country, and it evokes the feeling of patriotism, देशभक्ति की भावना को फील कराता है. Okay, children, that's why it is our national pride. And in our national flag, you can see three colors. Okay, the three colors are saffron, white, and green. And in the middle, there is a chakra with 24 spokes. उसमें 24 spokes बने रहते हैं, lines, तीलियां होती हैं, ठीक है. And ये तो हुआ नेशनल फ्लैग के बारे में. दिस ऑल इज अबाउट आवर नेशनल फ्लैग. एंड you know that our country's name is India. What is the name of our country? Our country name is India. But do you know who is the president of our country? हमारे देश का, हमारे कंट्री का प्रेसिडेंट कौन है? मालूम है आप लोगों को? And who is the prime minister of our country? हमारे देश का प्राइम मिनिस्टर कौन है? नहीं मालूम है ना? You don't know? Okay, I'm going to tell you that the prime minister of our country is Mr. Narendra Modi, and the president of our country is Mr. Ramnath Kovind. Okay, now let me show you the picture of the national flag and our president and prime minister. I think you all want to see it. Now see, this is the picture of our national flag. Now see, it is also called as tricolor. I have told you this, है ना? There are three color strips in our national flag. The saffron, white, and green. And in the middle there is a chakra with 24 spokes. These lines, these are called spokes. Okay. And this is called our national flag, which is the pride of our country and which evokes the feeling of patriotism among the people of our country. Okay. हम लोगों के देश के लोगों में राष्ट्रीय भावना को फील कराता है हमारा नेशनल फ्लैग, राष्ट्रीय ध्वज, ठीक है. ये देखिए, दिस इज अवर नेशनल फ्लैग. एंड नाउ सी who is this in this picture? Can you recognize this picture? Whose picture is this? This is a picture of our president Mr. Ramnath Kovind. He is the president of our country. Okay, children. So, recognize him carefully. See, he is the president of our country. Mr. Ramnath Kovind. Okay. And see, I know that you all know this personality. Who is this? Yes, he is Mr. Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of our country. Okay. Prime Minister PM Mr. Narendra Modi. He is the Prime Minister of our country. Okay, children. So, we have talked a lot about these people. Now, let me tell you some questions and answers related to this topic. Okay. So, now, listen the questions carefully and try to learn the answers with correct pronunciation. Okay, children? Now, question number 1 is, how many colors are there in our national flag? So, answer will be, there are 3 colors in our national flag. Again, repeating the question answer. Question number 1, how many colors are in our national flag? हमारे national flag में, national flag means राष्ट्रीय ध्वज, राष्ट्रीय झंडा, उसमें कितने कलर्स होते हैं? तो आंसर, you will give the answer, there are 3 colors in our national flag. Question number 2, name the colors in our national flag. Means हमारे नेशनल फ्लैग में जो कलर्स हैं उनके नाम बताने हैं आपको. ठीक है? तो आंसर विल बी, द कलर्स इन आवर नेशनल फ्लैग आर saffron, white and green. Again repeating the question. Question number 2. Name the colors in our national flag. The answer is, the colors in our national flag are saffron, white and green. Now the third question is, what is our national flag called? Means हमारे national flag को क्या कहते हैं? Answer is, our national flag is called tricolor or tiranga. Again repeating. Question number 3. What is our national flag called? Answer will be, our national flag is called tricolor or tiranga. Then question number 4. Who is the Prime Minister of our country? The answer will be, Mr. Narendra Modi is our Prime Minister. या आप ये भी कह सकते हैं, you can also say that Mr. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of our country. Okay. Now again I am repeating the question. Question 4 is, who is the Prime Minister of our country? The answer will be, Mr. Narendra Modi is our Prime Minister. Now the last question, question number 5. Name the President of our country. The answer will be, Mr. Ramnath Kovind is the President of our country. Okay children, now from the beginning I am again repeating the question so that you can understand it properly. Question number 1. How many colors are there in our national flag? Answer is, there are 3 colors in our national flag. Question number 2. Name the colors in our national flag. Answer is, the colors in our national flag are saffron, white and green. Now question number 3. What is our national flag called? Answer will be, our national flag is called tricolor or tiranga. Question number 4. Who is the Prime Minister of our country? Prime Minister is also called PM. Okay. if anybody asks you who is the PM of our country, then also you will give the same answer. Is it clear to everybody? So your answer will be Mr. Narendra Modi is our Prime Minister, or Mr. Narendra Modi is the PM of our country. Now last question, question number 5. Name the President of our country. So answer, you will give the answer, Mr. Ram Nath Kovind is the President of our country. Children, remember this, that you have to learn the answers with correct pronunciation and in full sentence. In half-yearly exams, some of you have given answers very shortly. So if you will not answer the full, you will not answer in full form, full sentence, then the teacher who is taking your exam may deduct the marks. So try to learn the answer in full sentence. Okay, children? Now we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye.